Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches. So guys, you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on offline market, and you can grow your own Instagram theme pages, Facebook theme pages, YouTube theme pages, TikTok theme pages, or you can go to google.com and search the websites according to your niche and ask them that you can maintain their social media presence, Facebook presence, so they can surely hire you. So guys, in today's video I will teach you about how you can create empowering quotes post on Facebook in Canva. So guys, empowering quotes are nowadays in very trending, so you can make your own theme page on Facebook or Instagram and you will surely get good results. So let's go to Canva. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic design software available online, and you can like uh, easily use it. It is very handy and easy to learn. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech and here go to playlist section. Here I upload the complete playlist of Canva designing course. After watching the playlist, you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's move towards our topic. So I click on create a design. Here I search Facebook post. It shows us different options, but we use mostly used template square. It is of 1080 by 1080 pixels. So empowering quotes, I think this color should be good. This is a gradient. So I'm going to google.com. Here I search empowering quotes. And there are different empowering quotes. So what is the good empowerment quotes? I can't change the direction. Sorry guys, this is not empowering quotes, this is entrepreneurship quotes. Sorry, it's my fault. The best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. Yeah, it's look good. Control C. I copy this one and I go to elements, search for quote box, and I it's look good, but no, this is not for this. So I go to graphics and this one is good. And here I post my empowerment entrepreneurship quote. Now I change the font style. And that's it, it look good. So guys, this is a simple entrepreneurship quote post, and that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family. So guys, this is our last video of our Facebook post design course, so please share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video in some next course. So till then, keep learning. Goodbye.